Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Srimati Hande SS, working in Devgad Vidyalay, Hivargaon, Pausa. Today, we are going to learn a very beautiful poem from our English course book, Standard 10. The title of the poem is If. It is written by a famous English poet, Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling was born in India but took his education in England. He got prestigious Nobel Prize. He was the first writer who got Nobel Prize in literature. He is very familiar to us because he wrote Jungle Books and his famous character Mowgli is very popular in Indian children. The title of this poem is very tiny, but it is very significant. Children, you know, we teachers and your parents are always giving you advice. We are always telling you, do this and don't do that. This poem is also a piece of advice given by father to his son. In this poem, father wants his son to be a man. Man means good as well as perfect human being. थोडक्यात काय विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, प्रत्येक मुलाच्या वडिलांना वाटतं की माझ्या मुलानं डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर किंवा सायंटिस्ट व्हावं. परंतु या कवितेतील वडिलांना वाटते की माझ्या मुलानं एक माणूस व्हावं. चला तर मग बघूया वडील आपल्या मुलाला काय सल्ला देत आहेत. ओके, वी विल सी दिस पोयम लाईन बाय लाईन. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट स्टांजा. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, when all people around you are getting angry and they are blaming you about their anger, that time you do not get angry. You should keep calm. Here, keep your head means not to get angry. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. That is, when all men doubt you, that time you trust yourself, but think about their doubting. Consider their doubts, find the reason of their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Here, if you can wait, it means don't be tired by waiting. Wait patiently. That is, haste makes waste. अति घाई संकटात नेई. Or being lied about, don't deal in lies. You should always remain truthful. कारण नेहमी सत्याचाच विजय होतो. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. That is, don't hate others. दुसरे तुमचा तिरस्कार करतील, परंतु तुम्ही मात्र त्यांचा तिरस्कार करू नका. तुम्ही मात्र प्रत्येकावर प्रेम करा. And yet, don't look too good nor talk too wise. That is, don't feel proud. Don't show off your knowledge. तुमच्या ज्ञानाचं प्रदर्शन करू नका. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. Here in this line, the father says to his son, if you can see dreams, but don't be a slave of your dreams. Do not make your dreams master. स्वप्न पहा, पण खरी होतील अशी स्वप्न पहा. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. That is, if you can think and do not make thoughts your aim. Here aim means goal. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. Sometimes you meet triumph and disaster. Triumph means victory and disaster means terrible situation. Triumph and disaster are two impostors in our life. Impostors means cheaters. In both situations, when we win victory, don't be too happy. And when we are in terrible situation, don't be too sad. That is, In victory, don't be overexcited, and in terrible situation, don't be too upset. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by news to make a trap for fools. Here, bear means tolerate, twisted means changed, and news means dishonest people. If you can bear to hear the truth spoken by you is changed by dishonest people. Or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build up with worn out tools. If you can, watch the things created by you being broken up, but don't be upset. Try to build up it again by using your worn out tools. Worn out tools means बोथट झालेली हत्यारे. याचाच अर्थ फिनिक्स पक्षाप्रमाणे पुन्हा भरारी घे. कदाचित प्रयत्न करताना अपयश येईल, कमी गुण मिळतील किंवा नापास होशील, पण पुन्हा प्रयत्न कर. संधी पुन्हा येईल, पण आयुष्य पुन्हा नाही. डोंट बी अफ्रेड. If you can talk with crowd and keep your virtue, or walk with king nor lose the common touch. If you can talk with crowd means common people, but keep your virtue, keep your virtue means keep your goodness. सामान्यांबरोबर मिसळताना आपले चांगले गुण विसरू नकोस. Or walk with king nor lose the common touch. Don't forget common people. Develop healthy relationship with everyone. Give equal importance to common as well as rich people. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much. Give equal importance to friends and foes. Foes means your enemies. That is, give equal importance to your enemies and friends. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, the poet calls the minute unforgiving. Time never forgives you. Time never comes again. एकदा हातातून निघून गेलेली वेळ पुन्हा परत येत नाही. Make use of every second of every minute, because time is money. It never comes again. Yours is the earth and everything that is in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. And in last two lines, father says to his son, if you follow above all the things, or if you fulfill above all the conditions, that time yours is the earth and everything in it. म्हणजेच बाळा, ही पृथ्वी आणि पृथ्वीवरील सर्व काही तुझेच असेल. And which is more, you will be a man. Man means a good, perfect human being. म्हणजेच तू एक चांगला माणूस होशील. काय मुलांनो, आवडली ना कविता? चला तर आता घरी लिहिण्यासाठी काही प्रश्न लिहून घेऊया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What should be our attitude towards the people of different classes? Listen again. What should be our attitude towards the people of different classes? Question number 2. How would you react when you are cheated by your friends? Listen again. How would you react when you are cheated by your friends? Thank you.